Crochet and Handcraft. If this is your first time, my name is Anisa. Today you will learn how to make this heart. I am making this heart for Pakistan Independence Day. I am using the color is white and green. In this we have need this. I am making earrings. This earring hook size and one this, and the we needed color is 5 play milk cotton yarn, green color, and the other color is white color, 5 play milk cotton yarn. The hook size I'm using 4 mm, and we need a scissor and a needle. So let's start from the beginning. First make a magic ring, cross this, pull this out, insert this hook into this ring and yarn or pull through up, grab this in this way. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn or pull through up, yarn or pull through these 2 loops, again 2 more loops, make again double crochet, yarn or pull through these 2 loops, now more 2 loops, okay. Now yarn over again this, insert into the magic ring, yarn or pull through up, yarn or pull through these 3 loops, yarn over, insert the hook in the magic ring, yarn or pull through up, yarn or pull through these 3 loops, yarn over, yarn or pull through this up, and leave this over there. Now we have need the second color. First make a slip knot, grab this into this way and pull through these 3 loops. Now chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn or pull through up, yarn or pull through these 2 loops, and yarn or pull through these 2 loops, chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn or pull through up, pull through these 3 loops, again make a half double crochet, and again one more time half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, make a double crochet. I'm cutting this white, this color. This is our magic ring yarn. When we close, then secure and close this and pull this back. We make 1 time double crochet, after this 2 more, and 1 last. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into this magic ring. Now pull this up and make a slip stitch over there. Now close, chain 1, cut this yarn, Pull this out. Now close this magic ring. This is extra yarn, so I am cutting this first. Now tie this. Now we secure this both. Pull this into this way. Insert this. Pull this back. Now cut these yarns. Now grab this ring. Open this. Now insert this into this magic ring and pull this into this way. Okay, now insert this into this point and close this. Now this our earring is ready. You can see these both earrings are ready to wear. I hope so you love this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Still connected with me for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye. So you love this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Still connected with me for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.